Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine, where we explore the most beautiful, artistic, and inspiring jewelry designs from around the world. So, guys, in today's video, we are diving into a jewelry style that is more than just fashion. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a celebration of creativity. I'm talking about boho beaded necklaces. If you're someone who loves unique handcrafted pieces filled with character, meaning, and cultural depth, then this video is going to be a real treat. We will be uncovering what boho truly means, exploring the fascinating world of boho beaded designs, the materials, the styles, the cultural influences, and even how you can style, layer, and care for these stunning necklaces. So stay tuned because we are about to talk everything about boho beaded necklaces. The term boho, short for Bohemian, traces its roots back to the early 19th century, originally associated with the lifestyle of artists, writers, and vendors who defied societal norms. It represents a way of life that is free spirited, unconventional, and deeply connected with nature, art, and travel. The Bohemian culture is all about embracing individuality, creativity, and authenticity. It pulls influences from diverse corners of the world, whether it's the vibrant textiles of Morocco, the earthy tones of the desert, or the intricate patterns of tribal communities. Boho fashion over the years has come to symbolize this eclectic mix, combining vintage elements with ethnic flair, all woven together with a touch of laid back elegance. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a lifestyle and attitude that celebrates imperfection, color, and storage rich aesthetics. It is a statement of artistic freedom. How? Because boho beaded necklaces are perhaps one of the most iconic representations of bohemian fashion. These pieces are not just accessories, they are artistic expressions. Crafted from a variety of natural and synthetic materials, boho beaded necklaces often include stones, wooden beads, glass elements, tassels, feathers, shells, and even metals. They reflect a deep appreciation for handmade artistry, often incorporating layers, asymmetrical arrangements, and vibrant color palettes. Each piece tells a story, whether it's through the symbolism of the beads used, the cultural references behind certain designs, or the artisan's own personal touch. What makes boho necklaces truly special is their ability to be both bold and earthy, sophisticated yet grounded in simplicity. They are ideal for individuals who love to stand out while staying connected to nature and cultural heritage. The variety in boho beaded necklaces is vast and captivating. There are long, layered necklaces that cascade down the chest, perfect for florid dresses or even layered outfits. Choker style boho pieces bring attention to the neckline with intricate patterns made of seed beads and woven cords. So, statement pendants are often added to give a centerpiece feel using materials like turquoise, jasper, or hand painted ceramic beads. Some designs are minimalist, using neutral tones and simple stringing patterns, while others go all out with bold colors, mixed media, and textures. Like macrame knots, beaded fringe, and ethnic symbols such as mandalas, owl eyes, or sun and moon motifs are commonly found in these designs. The versatility of boho beaded necklaces makes them a favorite for fashionists, artists, and travelers, and also for spiritual seekers alike. Now let's discuss the materials used in these type of necklaces. One of the most fascinating aspects of boho beaded necklaces is the wide variety of materials used, from semi-precious stones like amethyst, turquoise, lapis lazuli, to natural components like wood, bone, and shells. Each material adds its own vibe and meaning. Glass beads, seed beads, and metallic spacers are used to add shimmer and structure, while leather and hem coats give an organic, rustic feel. Artisans often source materials from different parts of the world, creating a fusion of cultures in a single piece. Weavers are often curious to know which beads are best for energy healing, spiritual alignment, or simply creating a vintage look. Highlighting the properties and stories behind these materials can spark deep interest among audiences. At the end of the video, I just want to say that boho bead necklaces are more than just decorative items. I think they are reflections of a lifestyle that values individuality, culture, creativity, and a deep connection with the world. So this video, you are not only showcasing beautiful design, but also you can get a lot of information about these type of necklaces and how to style these pieces. Thanks for watching.